Jet Jones in the near side face-off dot, can't control this draw. It's taken out and cleared by Janicki. Janicki with his top line mates of Blake Bennett and Ryan Wagner. Bennett, the reigning ECHL Player of the Month in February, has 10 goals in his last 6 games, including one in Game 1 on a sharp angle snipe. Fires one off the edge of the cage there, hugging the near side glass. It's taken away by Jones. And he'll rock it forward into the offensive zone. Jet Jones on his backhand, cuts it to the doorstep. That's saved by Radomski with the near side pad. Blake Bennett gets it back. Not 4 minutes gone by here in this first period of play. RC scoring 1 minute and 11 seconds into this hockey game. Puck rolls out to the slot. Cleaned up by Slava Demin, who slots it across. So with Cholach coming back, D pairs switch up a little bit. Demin moves down to the third pair with Stevens. No Jordan Henderson today. The Johnson-Callan pairing stays the same. It was a defensive core that had not been shaken up in a couple of weeks. But Artur Cholach coming back, and makes sense for him to reunite with Kapchek, who he played with the entire first half of this season. Kapchek, an ECHL All-Star, credited Cholach with a lot of his success. As Stanek one-touches it to Hughes, right down Main Street. Back to Stanek, gets met up by Kalela. Puck rolls loose to Cholach at the point, he puts it on net, that's blocked wide. Sloan Stanek now, sharp angle, fires, blocked, rebound loose to Pauls. Score! Sloan Stanek! He got his own rebound, and he ties up the game in the first. It's 1-1 with 15:09 to go. Sloan Stanek has scored in back-to-back games. Goal number 23 on the season for him. And the Night Monsters, a response. Rapid City right into the offensive zone here. Spinning it off the near side boards. Rolling it around. It's played in the neutral zone by Isaac Johnson, and RC dumps it right back in. So Stanek from Artur Cholach, and Cholach gets a point in his return to Tahoe. He had 4 points in his previous 6 games before getting called up, making 5 and 7 now. As Kalela picks up the puck off the boards, gets past the red line and dumps it in deep and goes off for a change. Played by Paperny. Jordan's last start defeated the Allen Americans. This is pulled back and fired by Johnson, deflects up and out of play. Paperny was oh so close to a shutout against Allen in Game 2 of that series. Ended up allowing just 1 goal on 36 shots. Ozone draw for Tahoe. Newell gets it up to Johnson. Score! Jake Johnson from downtown, and Tahoe takes the lead. It's 2-1 Night Monsters. How about that for a seeing eye missile? And Jake Johnson gets his 4th goal of the campaign. So Stanek and Johnson in quick succession. This is swept all the way down. Tahoe can't believe this is going to be called an icing against them. And the officials do agree with Captain Luke Adams, so the draw will go right back to center ice. So something I talked about in our pregame show today, Tahoe yesterday getting goals in quick succession. Today they're doing the exact same thing. 2 goals a minute apart here in the first. And here on Star Wars night, that was a seeing eye shot. Jake Johnson channeling his inner Luke Skywalker doing the trench run on that one. As the officials check in with head coach Scott Burtz for Rapid City to inform them of that call. Scott Burtz, Rapid City Rush, Alex Lowe's Tahoe Night Monsters, game 5 of the season series. Tahoe 3-1 against RC overall. This is swept out to Blake Bennett. Cross ice feeds, brings Wagner up the wing. Outraces Slava Demin to get to the loose biscuit. It's played down below in the trapezoid. The Night Monsters will take it away. This is Jake McGrew. Now Luke Adam carries it in. On the drop pass, one in McGrew. That got picked off. Now Bennett with speed into the O-zone. Up the wing, he fires. Glove save by Paperny. That was a deceptive shot there. This is iced down by the Night Monsters. Blake Bennett, always dangerous. Can't give him any time and space to shoot. Something I asked head coach Alex Lowe about in terms of playing against a guy like 91 in white. Like I said, Bennett 10 goals in his last 6 games. A point streak of 13 contests. And Coach Lowe told me that you just got to be aware whenever he's on the ice and take away his time and space. Bennett, a player standing 5'9", 185. He can move it down the length, and we just saw that there. O-zone draw for RC, controlled by Tahoe. This is Artur Cholach, who goes rink wide. The Night Monsters' third line still out there. They're in the midst of a line change now as Simon Pinard gets to the ice with his young guns. Cross corner by Cholach is played by Mitchell Smith. Braden Tuck whacking away at the puck. It's held onto here by Cholach. He banks it down low. Good to see 49 back on the ice for Tahoe. Scored the first ever goal in franchise history. Multiple huge moments this season by Artur Cholach, a Vegas draft pick. This is Sloan Stanek now. Goes low to high. Cholach to Pinard. Loose in the doorstep area. Couldn't free up his hands and take a shot there. Almost turns it on Radomski, who's been shell-shocked over the past 2 shifts. Stanek pulls it back. It bounces over Bear Hughes' blade, and he retreats to Brennan Kapchek. 12:20 to go in the first. 2-1's your score in favor of Tahoe. Pinard evades a hard check by Parker Bowman. Picked off by Milimak, though, at center ice. He winds into the O-zone. Driving on his backhand at the hash marks, pulls it up to the top of the zone. Shot taken is saved by Paperny, and he'll cover it down. And that sends us to an ice crew timeout.